How to disable the pop-up blocker in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can disable the pop-up blocker in Microsoft Edge. So let's just go ahead with the video. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So first thing first, I'll head over to your Microsoft Edge browser, and after that, you may just get ahead, or you can directly go to the three dot at the top right corner of your Microsoft web browser. Just go ahead and locate it. And after going there, you're going to select settings. Just go ahead and go to settings of the Microsoft web browser. And after settings appear on your screen, you may just go ahead and onto the left side of the screen. Under settings, there are different options available. You're going to look out for cookies and site permissions. After going there, just scroll a bit and you should be able to find pop-ups and redirects here, which by default is already blocked. But if you have this option disabled, you're just going to turn it off and turn it on so that it will be blocked and that will be disabled. So that is how you do it. Follow the steps in order to do that. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.